What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So once again, I'm doing a video where I'm not like talking or anything like that. I'm gonna try to find some good music. It's actually kind of hard to find some music to go overlay and all that stuff, but no worries, I will find something because I actually like how the last video turned out. I'll go ahead and post that at the end of the video if you guys are interested in watching that video. But today's look is a sunflower. Hopefully you guys can see. I found Ash Got Cakes TV. She's a YouTuber as well, and I'm pretty sure James Charles did the sunflower look. I think it was last year or so, and I really love how it looks and stuff. Yeah, and just have fun with it, you guys. I thought it was just so fun to create. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I love reading all you guys' comments. Thank you. We're now at 370, so that warms my heart up so much. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. But let's go ahead and get on with this video. Bye, guys.
Cover.